a look at this Math ACT question from June 2020. It was question number 3. It says Devin bought running shoes at a price that was 1/4 off the original price of $88. He paid a sales tax of 7% on the discounted price and gave the clerk 4 $20 bills. How much change should he receive? So first, what we're going to look at is how much was the price before taxes. It was $88 originally, and you get a 1/4 off. And there's a couple of different ways you can think of that. I'm going to work this, if I get a 1/4 off, I'm only going to be paying 3/4. I'm going to do some simplifying, and I get that to be, now he's paying $66. And now he's got to add on the sales tax, so we're going to pay $66 plus 66 times 0.07. That's going to give us a bill total of $70.62. Okay, he gave the clerk 4 $20 bills, so he gave $80. And from this 80, we're going to subtract the 70.62. You get $9.38 is how much he should get back, and that is answer choice C. So you should be really comfortable working out questions that talk about purchasing things, doing sales tax, any kind of discount. So this was given to us as 1/4 off. It could have also used a percent. 1/4 is 25%. So be comfortable working with those kind of discounts. How I used the fractional, I said 3/4 is how much he was going to pay. You could subtract off a 1/4 from the 88 and do it different ways. The point being, again, practice and figure out what methods make sense to you. And also being able to use your calculator to get these values. In this case, I think it is a little bit faster if you can use your calculator for a problem such as this. When you're working with percents, that's another thing. Our sales tax, 7%. Remember to punch that in the calculator. We're going to have to use 0.07 if we're using a decimal form. And then to subtract out and to get our change. Make sure we're doing that fully as we should. So again, if you're looking for more practice on a question like this, I would suggest you look up the terms, fractions, percent, and discounts. This is your math question of the day. We have lots more videos to help you prepare for the math section of the ACT. Subscribe so you'll get our next practice. Until then, practice a bit more on your own, and when you take the test, you'll be glad that you did.